In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Dropbox file to cloud only. This is a simple way to free up space on your computer without deleting your file from Dropbox. When you make a file online only, the file is removed from your device's hard drive, but it still stays safely stored in your Dropbox cloud account. That means you can still see it in your Dropbox folder and access it later whenever you need it. To get started, open your Dropbox folder on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac, and the process is very similar on each one. Once your Dropbox folder is open, look through your files and find the file or folder that you want to save to the cloud only. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct item, especially if it's something you don't use often but still want to keep available. When you've found the file or folder, right-click on it. This will open a menu with several options. In that menu, click Dropbox to open the Dropbox actions available for that item. After that, choose Make Online Only. As soon as you do this, Dropbox will begin changing that file from a locally stored file to an online-only file. In practical terms, this means the file will no longer take up storage space on your computer, which can be especially helpful if you're trying to clear disk space or manage large files more efficiently. Even though the file is removed from your hard drive, it is not deleted from Dropbox. It remains in your Dropbox cloud storage, and you can still see it inside File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. Usually, you'll notice a cloud icon next to the file, which lets you know it's available online only and not currently stored on your device. One useful thing to remember is that because the file stays visible in your Dropbox folder, it still feels easy to manage and locate later. If you ever want to use it again, you can simply open it, and Dropbox can download it when needed, depending on your settings. So, to recap in a simple way, open your Dropbox folder, find the file or folder you want, click it, click Dropbox, and then select Make Online Only. That's all it takes to keep your file in Dropbox while removing it from your computer's local storage. And that's how to save a Dropbox file to cloud only.